Hiya, three. Welcome to your guided reading today. Now, it's going to be a fab lesson, this one. Very creative, okay? Today, what you're going to do is you're going to complete a story map, and you're also going to complete a picture of Razvani, okay? But you've got a couple of things that you need to do to create those things. So today you're going to need to be successful, today, what you're going to do is you're going to need to use the evidence in the text to locate different areas on the map. And you're going to use evidence in the text to help you recreate Razvani. Now, I'm just going to move my picture to the middle. These are some story maps from some different stories. So this one in the corner over here, this is from Winnie the Pooh. This one here is from The Hobbit. This one here is from Narnia. And this one here is from Harry Potter. Now, these story maps are inside the books. And what they do is they show the different areas where characters have been in the story. So, for example, in Winnie the Pooh, we've got the 100 Acre Wood, we've got Eeyore's Gloomy Place, and we've got Piglet's house, and we've got Pooh's house. Okay, and over here we have the mountain that they all travel to in the Lord of the Rings. Down here we've got in Harry Potter's, we've got Hogwarts, and we've got the train as well that comes along here. In Narnia, I can't really see on that one, but I can imagine, I'm trying to look there, sorry. I can imagine that we have different parts of the story and the adventures that the characters went on in the story. And that's what you're going to do today. You are going to complete your very own story map of the Firework Maker's Daughter. So thinking about the journey that Lila went on, thinking about those key places that she saw or was heading towards. So really there's that place, that main place that she was heading towards. And can you remember what it was called? That's right, it was Mount Mirapai. So, now I'm in the way there. So I'm just going to read you this little quote. All the while, Lila had been making her way through the jungle towards the sacred volcano. Mount Merapi lay far to the north, and she'd never seen it until late in the afternoon. She came to a bend in the jungle path and found herself beside the river. Now, you are going to need evidence to help you create your map. So you're going to need evidence from chapters 2, 3 and 4 to help create your map. And we've worked a lot with these chapters, haven't we? We've thought about the different areas that she is, the jungle, when she sees Mount Merapi, when she's at Rambashi's, or when Rambashi takes her on the boat, and then he has that crazy idea to create then Rambashi's grill. Okay, so these are the things that you'll need to create on your map. All right, it's really, really important. So this is what you're going to be doing. You are going to be here. This will be your map. And here you might want to put a key. Now, a key is to tell you what the different parts on the map is. So you might need to use symbols. For example, you might want to put a symbol to show a tree, and that means the jungle area. You might want to put a symbol of a blue swish to show that that is the river. You might need to put a round splodge to show that that is the lake where the goddess was, the Emerald Lake. So you need to really look back through your chapters 2, 3 and 4 to help you decide on what you're going to put on your map. So if you were making a map for the Firework Maker's Daughter book, what would you include on there? What would be the key parts of that map? Okay, so that's task 1. Task 2 today, let me move my camera again to here, I think. Task 2 today is you are going to create a picture or a sketch of the fire fiend Razvani, okay? And on there, you're going to need to read chapter 5. You're going to need to find the evidence in chapter 5 to help you create what he looks like. What does he look like? What was his characteristics? Okay. And I want you to think about that to then create your picture of him. Then, if you wish, you can fill out the next part. Can you think of imagery of your own to describe the fire fiend? So once you've drawn your picture, so don't do this before, draw your picture first and then have a look at your fire fiend. How could you describe him? What could you say about him? You could magpie ideas from the text, and then you could also use your own ideas. So it's not a lot to do today in terms of reading. You will need to read your chapters again, though, to help you, but I would suggest scanning to find those key parts that you want. I'm really looking forward to seeing your end of the story map and your Razvani. We're not far to the end now of the story of the firework maker's daughter, so I'm very excited to find out what's going to happen next. Now, children, you take care now. Have a wonderful half term, and I shall see you very soon. Take care now. Bye.